What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Having Said That show. I'm Adi here with Jay.
What's up, guys?
And welcome back to another edition of 5 Blind Dates. Today's guest of honor
It's been a while.
is someone you guys have actually seen on the last dating episode where he dated Ariana.
What would you say is your biggest flaw?
I fall too deeply. That's what I am. Yeah, I'm a lover. I am definitely a lover. I fall too deeply, too intensely.
The very funny, very talented, very good looking Kevin Zinka is
All
with us.
right.
Make some noise.
Thank you very much. Ariana did reject me last time, but I just want to put that out there. So, yeah.
So this is revenge?
Probably, yeah. I'm going to show Ariana, like, I can do so well without her. Like, I've got, like, 5 people, like, come to a show to date me. Like, Ariana, who?
Yeah, we have some amazing girls lined up for you to date, but what are you looking for in girls right now?
I just want somebody that's, like, really sweet and really loving. You know, that's what I want.
Do you have any like non-negotiables?
Just kidding. I want a thick, pretty, big booty, fatty, you know, like, fuck that, man.
Can you give me your name, your age, and what you do for work?
My name is Arshia. I'm 26 years old.
Hi, I'm Ashri.
Okay, my name is Mehak. I'm 26 years old.
Hi, my name is Sia Mahajan.
Hi, my name is Summer Jacobs. Summer like the season. I'm 28.
I'm a content creator, a sound healing practitioner, and also a PR and influencer marketing executive.
I have worked as a teacher, as a chef, as a lot of things. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do.
I'm an actor. I work in movies, ads, lots of TV shows, scenes.
I've been doing influencer marketing for years now, and I'm trying to pivot.
I've been a professional model for the past 10 years, an actor, a content creator, and I also work at Soho House with membership and events.
All right, guys. Having said that, I think it's time to get into our dates. Are you excited?
Very, yeah.
Let's do it.
Hoping for some good
Good vibes.
vibes.
Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Alright, coming in 3,
Okay, shut.
2. Alright, girls, and you close your eyes while we get your bachelor out for the first time. Are you guys ready?
Oh my god, whoa.
You can open your eyes.
Whoa.
So Kevin, there's girl number 1, girl number 2, girl number 3, girl number 4, and girl number 5. And for the girls, this is round 1. At the end of this round, someone will be eliminated. And this is a personality round. Get to know you round.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
I'm so nervous.
Alright, first off, how are you guys doing? All of you guys doing good?
Yes.
Lovely.
Very
Are you guys
good.
excited?
Very excited.
Let's find out.
So I'm going to start with a couple of questions just to get to know you guys a little bit better. Girl number 1. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Lovely. You have a nice voice.
Thank you.
If you were like to stalk any part of my phone, like if you were to go through my phone, like which app would it be that you would like to go through?
What a question.
So, very honestly, I've never ever asked for a password before. But if I had to, it would probably be your Google search.
My Google search.
Yep.
That seems like the lamest.
ChatGPT is a better move.
ChatGPT.
What is it that you think you'd be looking over there for?
I don't know, the random things that you're searching for throughout your day, probably.
What if like I'm Googling like older naked women? I don't know.
I wouldn't mind that though. I'd rather be curious to why you're searching for them.
Ooh, you vibe.
Yeah. Or I just throw a tantrum and get some attention out of it.
Girl number 2.
Hello.
Are you excited for this?
I'm excited, yeah.
Can you give me your most excited voice and just say I'm really excited?
I'm really excited.
Okay, so she is not excited. Okay,
You put me on the spot there.
I could put you in places, but take a spot is fine for now.
Guys, when they know a spot and they take you to the lowest place in your life.
Let's say if we were to ever get matching tattoos. Okay, girl number 2.
Yeah.
Like, what matching tattoos would it be and where?
Wow. I've actually never thought of that before, but I would say matching tattoos on the pinky finger with just 2 emojis, because that's like the easiest and it's not very suggestive of a couple tattoo, because couple tattoos are a little cringe.
You find couple tattoos cringe?
A little bit, yeah.
Are you commitment phobic?
You'll find out.
Ooh.
Yo, this dude is the king of gaslighting. It's great.
So, girl number 2, commitment phobic. Wait, let me just type this out. Okay, cool. We got that.
I feel like these two are not vibing so much, they're vibing.
Like, it's such bad chemistry.
Yeah.
It's good.
Let's go with girl number 3.
Hi.
How long did it take you to get here today?
About 25 minutes?
Okay, so you're like a South Bombay girl then.
No, not really. I live in the central part of the city. It's
Central Park,
fairly
okay.
close.
Reject. Wait, what? Okay. What's your toxic trait in dating? Your most toxic trait? It's okay. You can go all out. Like it's fine. We're all very accepting here.
I could kind of overread into a situation sometimes, maybe more than needed. So yeah, that's toxic, I guess.
Okay, let's just say like you were to come home and like I was randomly alone with my female best friend. Okay, like how would you like perceive that situation?
Actually, no, I'd be very chilled out. I'd meet her nicely, and that way I'm secure in who I am, so that won't be an issue. But again, depends on whether I was told about this, and even if I wasn't, I'm guessing she's your best friend, so it's already okay. I would just chill with her.
I love how she's like pretending that she wouldn't flip her shit, bro. Like, oh, what if she was sitting on my lap? Like, would that be chill?
Nice, interesting.
Yeah.
What if she was like sleeping on my lap?
I mean, that's a bit of an issue, and it would have to be discussed eventually. Maybe wouldn't be brought out there. I might like.
What if like she was sleeping on my lap and we were watching 50 Shades of Grey?
I mean, that's an out-and-out problem. I think I know what I'd be doing from the next day onwards. Maybe not talking at all.
I really wonder how far these girls will go to portray that they're
so
super
chill.
fucking.
I like that you would be chill because I do have a lot of like female friends. So.
I'll crack a joke about it and I'll take it with you later.
Hey, that's nice. This is girl number 3, right?
He's like, oh, she's cool with me.
Nice, interesting. Moving on, we have girl number 4.
Hello.
Wow, that's a deep voice.
Sorry. Hi.
Oh, hi. That went pitchy on the
Hi. How are you?
Okay. Okay. So what is your voice like? I'm confused though.
Okay, so this is actually like a not a hidden skill, but like a thing. I can mimic any voice, low key.
Oh, so you can go really deep.
I could.
I wasn't talking about your voice. Give me your best impression of something.
I could try to do Mr. Bean. Okay, do not look at me right now.
I'm not.
I'm Mr. Bean. Hello, Teddy.
Okay, that's it.
Hey, that's nice.
Thank you.
That's nice.
I was put on spot, so it was not my best, but
you did really well.
Thank you.
Can you call me Teddy?
No.
Okay, damn. Okay, so rejected. Girl number 4.
Ouch.
They weren't vibing.
Yeah, they're not at all.
Right, to girl number 5.
Hi,
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. All right.
So guys, this is Ariana's best friend.
So
Is this
excited.
who we're rooting for?
I'm rooting for.
Before I just get into like a random question, like I don't want to do like a tell me something about yourself either.
Yeah,
So,
let's not.
I don't know. Do you let me ask you something. Do you work out? Like, are you into any sort of like fitness? or
I
anything?
love working out. Are you joking? Every single day I have to get in a workout. It's like brushing your teeth. You just got to do it.
Wow. Like, do you do a lot of cardio? Or like
No,
weight
I
training?
prefer strength training, less of cardio. I know what you're getting at.
I do a lot of cardio generally. Like that's why. Like I'm a runner. That's why I was just asking.
Okay, nice. I just started running, so we have a lot in common.
Wow, that's sweet. If I were to dare you to kiss me mid-interview, would you actually do it?
Probably not.
Probably not. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. So we're going with girl number 1. Okay.
I don't think that was enough time.
Yeah, true.
Everyone.
Yeah.
So we're going to do the round 2. And at the end of round 2, 2 girls will be eliminated.
Ooh. Okay.
Ooh,
That's a bit intense.
I'm on twist.
Round 2 is creativity round. So I'm going to give each of you a piece of paper and a pen.
Who's your front runner as of now? I think goal number 1.
Summer and Mehak.
Even Arshia, I think, had a good
The- He
vibe.
was saying that they were vibing, so not vibing,
Yeah.
that they were vibing. Yeah.
And you can do whatever you want with it. You can write something, you can make something.
So in this round, Ariana, if you remember, we did this for you as well.
Yeah.
Where the boys have to make something out of an A4 piece of paper. What would you make, man? This is a high pressure environment.
It's a really high pressure one. I think I would write a poem personally.
Yeah.
Because that would be fun.
Yeah.
I think I remember for mine, someone made me flowers. I think Kevin
Yeah.
made me flowers.
Kevin made you flowers?
I think so.
I believe when you meet somebody, you should always have a memory with them, something like a souvenir.
Okay.
So,
Pass it over also.
so
Are you joking?
Yeah.
This is.
I'm very big on giving flowers to people because I believe flowers are really beautiful. But I think paper flowers are even more beautiful because they will last you forever.
Oh my
So,
god.
Yeah, he did. He made you a
He
bouquet.
did.
Bro, Kevin.
That was so creative.
Summer is really going for it. What is this?
Yo, do you guys want to ask me anything before you all make this question?
Like cartoons?
I love cartoons, yeah.
You have tattoos.
No, I don't have any tattoos.
Would you like me to design you a tattoo?
Ooh.
I mean, yeah, that could be interesting, but I perhaps would never get a tattoo. How long back did all of you all break up?
4 months ago.
Who's still getting over their ex?
Not me.
When you say not me.
So all of them are lying.
Okay, guys, time for round number 2. Remember, at the end of this round, 2 people get eliminated.
I would like to see the gift of girl number 5.
It's coming through the curtain now.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. It's basically, I think I wrote 4 songs that I really love. They're all about love and like having a partner and having a loving relationship, and I relate to them.
I'm like a fan of the script. Like I used to listen to them like when I was like younger. So Break Even and actually The Man Who Can't Be Moved is actually one of my favorite songs. So
They're my top 2 from the list as well.
She's written some like really cool songs over here. From that, I actually like 2 songs, which is really nice.
That is so
dope.
cute.
It's dope. It's like
Back.
So that's sweet, yeah. So from these 4 songs, like which song would it be that like we do it to? I mean, like which would you recommend it to? What would you recommend me? Like what would you dedicate to me?
I think The Man Who Can't Be Moved. That's like such a deep song, and it says
that's
like
me. I'm the man who can't be moved. Yeah,
You're right.
We could do
I
it to
believe
that.
you.
I'm not moving ever. Okay, let's go with Mr. Bean. let's have your thinking. So I did notice girl number 5 did her nails, so like ups for that.
oh, my name.
Yeah, that's
Thanks so
nice.
much.
I look for that things like girls with good nails. All right, cool. This is it's okay. It's a letter. Beethoven said that the pain of being the pain
Point.
Point. Oh fuck. do you want to read it out loud?
Do you want me to?
Yeah, just do it because I don't want to mess up your this thing.
Okay, I can read it out loud.
It did look.
So this is one of my favorite
Yeah.
quotes. It's from the Midnight Gospel, because that's why I asked you if you like cartoons, but I don't know if you watched it.
Okay.
Beethoven said that the point of being alive, the point of being human, is to approach divinity as closely as possible and disseminate those rays to mankind. I don't know why I thought that would be nice for you to know, but I wrote that. Then I wrote something that I wrote myself. I said, being spiritual is choosing to stand by your morals even if the situation you are in ends up profiting you or putting you in a loss. And then I have made a little X and 0 thing and I've put an X and I've passed it to you to play the next move. But
Wow.
yeah.
You like playing X and zeros?
Yes.
Yeah. I like playing hole in the wall.
this is like the start of a rom-com where like they hate each other and then eventually they're gonna like come around to like
I think that's not getting along.
They're just not vibing at all.
Let's do girl number 2.
So the number 4 is going to pass to you, so don't judge them.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
man.
okay. So this is it very nice. She was descriptive about it. Like she wrote that this is a cap because a person like me would assume that this was something for bail, but it's a cap. That's cute. Okay.
Flip it.
We'd be cute. No cap.
Oh, that's cute.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
That's really nice. That's really nice. Yeah. Someone cooked over here. Someone cooked. Yeah. Someone has like told her these things like that. This is not her thoughts. Like some guy has given her this.
You think
line.
girls can't be funny?
Hold up. Wait. Let me read inside.
What are you saying?
Okay. She wrote inside. It says, tattoos are kind of gay though.
Because they are.
Okay.
Yo, now these two are.
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice. This was girl number
2.
2, right? Girl number 2. Just for that lovely little cute little pickup line, I am sending you something across. I hope you catch it.
Do I open it? Oh,
It's
sweet.
the fuck?
That's cute. I picked up the rose.
I'm glad. Do you like getting flowers?
I love getting flowers.
They are getting married.
That's sweet. Like I like giving flowers.
Wait, he's not
When
even
he's not
seen
joking,
the
you know
others.
he likes her.
We've not done girl number 3, right?
No.
Okay. Girl number 3.
Okay, passing it on.
Wow, this is so nice. It says perspective. It's always how you choose to see things.
And?
And there's like a drawing.
I mean, it's just perspective, and literally the same setup that we're in could be viewed by you in a very different way and could be viewed by me in a very different way. So, yeah, I feel like what's going on right now is going well. But when things are cooked slowly over a slow flame, there's just more chance that it's gonna like cook better. So yeah, I was gonna ask you your perspective on how it's going right now. That would have been my first question, and then I would have taken it from there. So would you like to go and tell me?
I'm blind right now, like my perspective, yeah, like. But
Also, that's also the drawing that I used to just draw a lot as a kid. So it took me back to my childhood because I've not been given a paper and pen in a very long time. So I thought it just came to me very naturally.
You've been drawing this as from the time you were a kid, the same drawing?
Yeah, I don't know why.
And it's still that bad?
There has to be some psychological thing to this, but yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
But basically
perspective.
what I mean to say is we could take this forward and we could even like go on a nice walk and get to know each other better. And this is just a slow cooking situation, always.
Okay, slow cooking, dating.
Slower the better.
This not.
The faster things fade sooner.
From my perspective, 3 and 4 out.
Thank you for this unique perspective
Yeah.
that you've given me. I appreciate that so much.
You're
and
welcome.
I like the drawing as well.
You're welcome.
Girl number 1. Hi, so sorry to keep you waiting, ma'am.
Oh, you didn't. Don't worry. Okay, heads up. I'm really bad under pressure. Like I'm a painter. I can't make something or write something for you.
It's okay.
So I put down what I want from you.
What she wants from.
Wow. Okay. So you know, what, let's cook together. That's nice because I like cooking and I really like cooking
Love
for my
that.
partners a lot. Okay. Be spontaneous. Absolutely. I am very spontaneous. Do a lot of masti. Nice.
I couldn't be explicit, you know.
You can be. Who stopped you? Aman, you give us a break or what? We love masti. Everyone loves masti. Gotta love animals and horses. I love animals. I'm not really sure about horses. I mean, like, I don't really have much feelings towards horses. Like, I'm neutral about them. But like, yeah, if you like horses, like, yeah, we could ride a horse.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
we
you
could
like-
ride.
you-
We
you
could
ride?
definitely ride.
Do you ride?
Yes, I do ride, and I'm also a dog mom, which is why animals are super important for me.
So doggy and a horse riding, right?
Yeah, you got it right.
We
Slid right in, didn't you?
Yeah, Aman just put like a star next to her name. Thanks. Okay.
This Kevin only has his head in the gutter.
Enjoy music festivals. Okay.
Yes,
Cool. Are you
with the
into techno?
goodies. Oh, 100%, but with goodies, of course.
Okay, name 2 or 3 of your like favorite techno artists.
I have no qualms when it comes to music. I feel like I enjoy everything.
Yeah,
It's just the
and-
company that matters.
Okay, we would vibe like to a very deeper level.
I
Okay,
love
cool.
that.
I think 3 and 4 out.
3 and 4 out, according to me as well.
Who you pick?
Just pick.
Just pick. No need any rationale.
It's 2 people out this round.
I'll tell you why Mehak's
Mehak's out?
she went first, and that's gonna go against her.
Okay.
Best friend best friend who?
So I need a best friend that I find hot. That's
Okay.
actually what I'm looking for.
You want a best friend apart from me?
No, you have to be my best
I
friend.
have to be your best friend.
Yeah.
Who you find hot?
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. So the thing is that, you know what, like
That's just the lyrics, sorry.
which song is it from?
Oh, ooh, it's actually a Taylor Swift song.
Oh, so you're into Taylor Swift as well?
Yeah, I am actually. I grew up with
Cool.
her.
Even I'm a Swiftie like that.
Let's go!
I love Taylor Swift, bro. I've been listening to her since I was a kid. I think she's
Okay.
a great lyricist.
I think we'll get along just well.
I'm a Swiftie. Kevin is so.
Pick me.
Like, literally.
Star डालना इसके नाम के बाद में. Okay, wait. Swim in the ocean. Skinny dipping.
Yeah.
Crazy. I am sunshine. I am love. Make sure you don't fuck this up.
That's actually a hint
The only
into
thing
my
we are
name.
fucking is,
Yeah.
That's very sweet. Thank you so much. I like how you're putting yourself out there like that. Like I like how you wrote the skinny dipping thing. Like it takes a lot to actually say that. But I like people that actually express their desires openly. So that's actually really sweet. So thank you so much, girl number 1.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right.
So now it comes to the tough part of the game.
Yeah.
You have to eliminate 2 of the girls.
2? Why 2?
Because now 2 rounds are done. 2 girls must leave. So what's going to happen? As you eliminate them, you get to see them for the first time.
Oh, shit. What if I fuck up? What if I fuck up? What if I eliminate like the best one?
No, you think it's 3 and 5. I think it's 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Can you like just give me like a pen and this thing so I can just like write it down? I need to like calculate like
Pros and cons.
there are pros and cons. Yeah.
Pros and cons. This is an instinctual reaction.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm sorry to say, first girl to be eliminated today is girl number 3. Girl number 3, please.
Yes, we knew it. We knew it. Clear. Oh, sorry.
Stand up and go on the curtain and say hi.
Hi. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Sia. You're very pretty.
Hi,
Yes.
thanks.
Sorry, Sia, I love you. You're too good for him, bro.
And the next girl to get eliminated today is girl number 4.
Yeah. We knew, bro. We knew. A girl knows. I knew it.
Yes, he's not.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna see. Hi. Nice. You're. Okay.
So now we're going to move on to the next round.
I can speak to her later, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I'm just checking. Yo.
So this is a round that the bachelor doesn't know we're doing either.
Oh wow.
Because when you date someone, you don't just date them, right? Like you're dating their friends, you're dating their family. So it's only fair if the bachelor's friends / family has a say in who he picks. And so for this next round, I have his lovely sister who's going to come across and ask him some questions. And at the end of it, she will choose who goes into the finale and who leaves.
Yeah.
Amazing. Give it up for Ivory.
Let's go, Ivy.
Thank you.
The round number 3, the friends and family round.
So my question is for girl number 5.
Okay.
If Kevin and I were fighting and I was clearly right,
Yeah.
who would you support and how would you handle it?
I would, without thinking, side with you because I'm a girl's girl. Knowing Kevin, I mean, I'm guessing I've known him enough till then.
Wrong answer.
Yeah, you're a
That's a
partner
wrong.
with your partner.
That's a wrong answer. That's a wrong answer.
But actually, that's not important. I would side with you either way.
Which girl I have to reject? This is.
Okay, so you just support me because you're a girl's girl.
Yeah, I mean, I think I would be reasonable. I would hear him out. I would assume that you would be right in most situations. I mean, girls are right in most situations.
Okay, that's sweet. Okay. Girl number 2, if your best friend said Kevin isn't the one, would you listen to her or would you follow your gut?
Okay, so if my best friend said Kevin isn't the one based on just one meeting, then I obviously wouldn't believe her.
No, but like she has met him a few times and like, you know, she knows.
Fair. So I think this is very subjective to the situation and the person, but we can do logical reasoning. Like, why does she think he's not the one? And we can do like a counter thing, and based on like how you just made like a pros and cons list, so maybe we do that, and then whoever's outweighs, we take that decision.
So basically, you would just be fair. You're not gonna like really listen to anybody.
Actually, again, that's very subjective based on my equation with Kevin and how long we've known each other. Depends on how many starry eyes I have for him, I would say.
Okay, but you can imagine that you've known him for a while already, and your best friend is your childhood best friend.
Actually, this has kind of happened in the past, and I have chosen the guy. So
okay.
If love's real, then I'd pick the guy.
Well, her love was not real. She's sitting here.
Okay, and this one is for girl number 1. What's one green flag and one red flag you've noticed about Kevin already?
Green flag is he's really funny and pretty witty on the spot. So that can make up for me, I guess, in a way. Red flag. I don't know. I haven't spotted any red flags yet. So yeah, I think I'd have to know him better.
Like an observation you must have had.
Nah, he's like, I know
He's
I'm
like,
not.
it's
He's
so
like, I know I'm
clear.
not
There's so
flawless.
many red flags.
Yeah, I also not funny. Can I say funny and not funny?
She messed up.
Like trying to be funny, contradicting myself. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't give you a red flag just yet. It takes me some time to know somebody. I'm not a very judgy person. Like, I like to see the best in everybody. So, yeah, you can ask me for more green flags if you'd like.
Okay, all right, okay.
You don't get a say in this at all. All on your own, I mean, you have to eliminate one of the girls.
Okay. So I was actually, I mean, it is tough for sure, but I'm sorry, but girl number one, because you said he's not funny.
So true. I knew it. Mehak played it so
I think
smart.
she messed up, bro. She messed up.
No.
I mean, even though that came at the top of your head, I think that's something that's really important to Kevin. He does stand-up comedy and a lot of other things, you know. So I think that would be a problem because you have to really find him funny to be with him. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's
I'm really
okay.
sorry. And I hope that was not the girl that you were rooting for.
We'll see right now. Ivory, if you fucked
I'm
up,
sorry.
Ivory, if you fucked up.
That just felt right. Sorry.
Ivory, if you fucked up.
I'm sorry. But I just thought that.
Okay, girl number one.
Okay, that's it.
What is this?
Hi.
Oh my god. Ivy, what the fuck, man? You're very pretty.
You're very funny.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Summer. Fuck. Right, used to follow her, man. Fuck that.
So, thank you, Ivory.
This was girl number one, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And now this gets us to the grand finale. 2 girls away, we went 5, only one did win.
Can I make this a little funnier?
Yeah, sure.
We're actually cousins.
Oh my god.
Grand finale, battle of the cousins.
So, girl number 2, girl number 5.
Hello.
Hi, thank you so much for, actually just doing this as cousins. I mean, this is pretty wholesome. Like, not a regular cousin activity that,
But
hey,
one
let's
minute,
go.
even we didn't know. Because she entered, I was like, oh my god, what are you doing here?
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna ask you all some hard-hitting questions. So, girl number 5, my grandmother. Okay, like she's like 92. Okay.
Okay.
And let's just say like she's choking on something like really badly, and you got to give her like CPR and like mouth to mouth. Like, would you do that?
Yeah, I mean, sure, if that saves her, yeah, of course I'd try my best.
Yeah. What if it was my grandfather?
I mean, it's saving someone's life, so I guess it doesn't matter.
My neighbor.
Sure.
Okay, so she's down for anything. So like that's what we don't want. I'm just kidding. That's really sweet. Okay, you'd save anyone's life. All right.
Yeah.
Girl number 2. Cool. Girl number 2.
Yo.
Hi. Okay, let's just say we're at this like techno gig, okay? And there's this girl that comes and she's like hitting on me, okay? And I'm being all chill because like we're together, right? And I'm rejecting her. I'm like, hey, I don't want to talk to you. What would you do in that situation? Like, would you like go and like beat her up or like fight her?
Of course not. You already rejected her. I don't have anything to do here.
No, but she's like constantly like she's just like on my dick, like she's just like, hey, I love your stand up. Can you like stand on me? I don't know. She's just saying weird shit.
Look, if she's a fan, then that automatically differentiates the both of us. I won't really be insecure about it. But if she's too in our face and it takes away from our
Like she's
concert.
grinding on me, like, and I'm like, hey, chill.
Okay. If she's grinding on you, then that's not okay. I'd just probably like pull you apart and we'd go somewhere else. But I wouldn't like fuck with her.
You wouldn't whack her?
I wouldn't whack her. No, that's not me.
Okay, cool.
I know you wanted to hear otherwise.
I mean, it's fine. Like, so
You'd like to see a girl fight,
so
no? You'd
you're
like to see a
not-
bitch fight.
So you're not a violent person like that.
Actually, not very violent. I hate to break it to you.
Okay, so you don't like slap people
I haven't.
sexually?
What?
What?
How what?
What?
Huh?
Okay. Last two? Hey man.
But do we want to do more?
Y'all can cross question me if you guys want to ask me something. Go ahead, cousins. Let's go.
Where do you live?
I live in Lokhandwala, Andheri.
Okay, not too far.
So like, is distance like a thing for you?
No, I mean Bombay is filled with pin code snobs, so I just wanted to be able to understand what you're like, and so maybe that would give me an idea.
Oh no, I just made a sarky comment. Yeah, I'm no one to say that actually, dude. Like I was just making a sarky comment. I don't really think like it bothers me where you would like live as long as you're like just like really chill. It's fine.
Okay,
Cool.
last questions and then you have to take over.
Okay. Have you guys prepped for any pickup lines? Because I don't want to put you all on the spot if you guys haven't.
I haven't.
No.
I have one.
She might be taking it here.
This is girl number
5.
Girl number 5. Okay. So let's hear girl number 2 then.
What an ass. I hate him.
Is your favorite color blue? Say yes.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. Fuck yeah. I love blue.
Because you blew me away.
What, you'll blow me later. What? Hey, that was sweet. That was sweet. That was nice. Not bad. Girl number 5. Do you have anything like a pickup line?
Are you a Stanley Cup? Because I'd like to carry you along with me wherever I go.
Aww.
You hated it. Just say you hated it.
Like, okay. Hey, yaar, abar yaar. You know what? I'm going off script. Hold on. Okay. Let's say we both were best friends. Okay, like we were just like besties for like the longest time.
Yeah.
Okay? You have a boyfriend right now. He's not really treating you the best, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Like that, right? You do everything with me. Like we go out to the movies, we vibe, I make you laugh. You know, like every
okay.
single thing is perfect. But you're still with that guy. One day I show up at like 3 in the night and I'm like, hey, you know, like I think like we should be a thing. What
Yeah.
would you do? How would your reaction be? I'm like down your house, okay, like full blown. Like
Firstly, if I'm with this guy, I don't think I'd be doing everything with you to begin with.
That's a good answer, dog. That's a great answer right there, man.
Okay.
Because I'm already with someone else. So why would I be like, even as a best friend, I don't think I would entertain you that much. Because I know my boundaries.
Oh fuck. Is he turning? Is he changing his mind?
Nah, he's good. He's
Like you will just be a best friend and that guy will be my partner. So even if you came below my house and be like, hey, I'm with someone else, like I don't want to do this. It's not fair to him.
You know what? That was actually a trick question and you fucking passed, bro. That was so good. That was so good. Like, wow, I'm really impressed.
Wow. Yay.
Okay, well, is he gonna change his mind?
Oh my god.
For girl number 2, right? Cool. Let me think of a trick question.
I already know now.
Maybe that's the trick that I'm pretending to have a trick question. You have a guy best friend, right? And like you guys are like super close. You've been like close together like from the time you guys were young, right? But now we both get into a relationship and I sort of have an issue with the closeness that you guys, you know, like y'all have. So what would you do in that situation? Like I'm telling you to like cut him off. So like how would you tackle that? Yeah.
I think I would just encourage you to come like hang with us so we can be a trio, and if we all chill together, you know exactly what the vibe's like, and so that kind of makes you as secure as you can be, right? Because like that person is somebody I can't cut off, right? Because they're a family friend or something.
So you wouldn't cut him off for me, right?
I mean, I wouldn't expect, you wouldn't cut off your childhood girl best friend for me either, right?
Fuck that bitch, who's the childhood best friend?
Guys fucking suck.
Let's say we were to get married, like and stuff like that, like Anna.
If we were to get married,
yeah. And like let's say it's a hypothetical situation. Like if we were to get married, I'm like, hey bro, cut Rishi off, man. Like what the fuck? Why is he always like getting you like stuff? उसकी खुद की बंदी नहीं है क्या?
honestly, I don't.
Skincare क्यों कर रही है उसके साथ?
Because he's one of my girls.
Yeah, so you wouldn't, right?
No.
Good. Okay, cool.
Okay.
All right.
Final countdown. 5.
So as I said, guys, this was really difficult, and man,
Who is he gonna pick?
He's going to.
Who is he gonna pick?
I don't know how to say this. Wait, I'm still thinking about it. It's girl number 2.
Girl number 2.
Oh.
So
Wait. Girl number 5 to step out.
Please come up with order.
Okay.
Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, you're very pretty.
You too.
Thank you so much.
And now,
Okay,
we
bye.
are ready because Bachelor is going to come around the curtain himself and take a seat next to you. Okay?
Okay, wow, this is a drum roll, man. Like, yeah.
It's actually.
This is so crazy.
I'm just praying she's better than Summer.
This guy needs to hesitate.
Yeah.
But okay, cool. All right, Aman, I can do it. 3. All frames good.
1, go.
Hi. How are you? I'm very good. You're welcome. Crazy. Hi. I like the whole bling and everything. That's nice.
That's okay.
Cool.
What's your skincare routine?
My skincare routine is just genetics. It's just genetics. I just glow. Like we could do it together though. Yeah, what's up?
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. That was our latest episode of 5 Girls, 1 Kevin.
Yeah, 5 girls, 1. I like the sound of that, but not anymore. Not anymore. Like it's just 1 girl, 1 Kev. That's it. All day, every day. Yeah, I'm just a funny guy.
You're wearing a blue jacket.
Yeah.
And my pickup line
Your
was
pickup
blue.
line was blue. Yeah. I think it was meant to be.
Yeah.
We're working this out. This is going to be great.
Guys, we're going to link everything of Kevin's in the description. Go show him some HSC love. Subscribe if you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments who you'd like to see be the next Bachelor or Bachelorette. And we'll see you on the next episode of that.
Can I get Summer's Instagram? Like, yeah.